The nation's consciousness has been inundated with the ugly incident of the rearrest of revolutionary convener and publisher of Sahara Reporters, Omoyele Sowore, inside court premises by operatives of the Department of State Services. This episode is just the latest in the series of alleged human rights abuses perpetrated by agencies of the federal government against Nigerians. This gathering, put together by the Nigerian Bar Association, is an annual summit to look at the situation of the average Nigerian. Speaking here as chairman of the occasion is Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Falana. He urged the federal government to do more in addressing the issue of abuses of rights of citizens. He also called for a reform of the judicial process to guard against the unnecessary delays which allows cases to span several years without actually going to trial.
My wife was allowed to visit under the late Sani Abacha junta. At the same time, Chief Gani Fahimi was detained in Bauchi prison. The Federal High Court had refused his own application for a visitation by his wife. But the Court of Appeal, who wife for JC as in N1, said, if somebody is in detention, the state has a responsibility to take care of him and his health. This detainee says that the state cannot provide for his health needs. Now he wants to do it himself. The government must allow his wife and his doctor to visit him. The other was obeyed. If it were now, you know what will happen.
For his part, the keynote speaker, Odinkalu, urged all agencies of the federal government to do more in addressing the issue of human rights abuses. He described human rights abuses as the big elephant in the room.
We are in a situation of difficulty for the rule of law in Nigeria, unmistakably so. That difficulty arises from the determined commitment of government and a ruling party to disregard the rule of law. It has elevated that exceptionalism from legality into a doctrine of government. And my mom, our chairperson, was right. When the president visited to address the Nigerian bar last year and said that he reserved the right to pick and choose what rulings to obey or judgments to comply with, lawyers actually clapped for him.
Other speakers at the summit said more needs to be done to prevent a total breakdown of law and order. They called for urgent action in addressing the issue of right abuses, sex and gender-based violence, and adherence to the rule of law by the federal government and its agencies, and respect for separations of power.
I have dedicated myself to ensure that we change those laws that give the prosecuting agencies the unfettered power to approach the court and obtain expert orders with which they violate the rights of the citizens, especially the youth of this country.
The other thing is that I would want to say to young people who are thinking of standing up for human rights, as some young people had done just recently at the offices of the DSS to protest and express their outrage. I would want to say that there's a lot of talk going around about things are very dangerous now, we need to be careful. What you say? If you say that now, they'll lock you up for hate speech, etc., etc.